Hello everybody, Unicorn Lady Tech here. Thank you for stopping by. I'm just going to do a little spring video, first one of the season. And here we're looking at 3 of my 5 trees I think I have here. Pomegranate, doing the best. Actually came back. I was worried about all 3 of them. The Meyer Lemon, not so great, but it is growing from the bottom. You can see in there. I don't know if that's from the under the grafting or above it. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. My olive tree, nothing going on but the roots. Nothing happening there. That's all pomegranate. So I guess we're still waiting to see if it does anything. These are the other 2 trees I have. Black Mission fig. Survived the winter. Doing nicely. And my peach tree, still no peaches yet, thanks to Mr. Texas Wind. It was beautiful in February with lots of blossoms on it, and the wind came and took every single one of them. No blossoms, no flowers, no peaches. That's how that works. And it's growing from the bottom as well. Not sure if that's under the graph or above it. We shall see. This is my 3 blueberries. This one is finally big enough and healthy enough to try to give me some berries. And the other 2 have been doing well the last 2 years. Lots of stuff going on in there. So, more blueberries coming my way. This is my Paul Robeson entry. Seed sent by GT Jr. I did put 4 in there, only 2 came up. And right next to it, seed sent to me by Miss Teenog. They are the chocolate cherry pole tomato. Right? Yeah. These are my overwintered collards. As you can see, one is doing way better than the other one. The pests still trying to eat all my collards. This is my plants for the beneficials. All flowers and such. We got, I think those are geraniums. And these 2 are lilies. And we have the red hibiscus. No, actually that one is the roses. My red hibiscus is not doing so well back there. And this is my purple angel trumpet. Doing nicely. Should get some flowers on there pretty soon. This table is where most of my seeds went. I have some carrots in there. I gotta put more since only what, 5 of 20 showed up. I got 3 varieties of baby watermelons in there, or should I say small watermelons in there. 3 different varieties. Pepino, moss, and something else. This is lemon cucumbers. I got 5 of them. They did look better. I guess they don't like when it gets cold at night. And these are my elderberries from Georgia Peach Nut. Those and this one. That one's John. And these are Adam. Everything over here is all from last season, so I didn't have to start them again. Kale, purple kale, my herb. We got rosemaries, sage, curly parsley. My 2 peppers, overwintered, coming back nicely. And my lime tree. I think that was the last thing I bought last year. Well, before winter. Doing okay. This is my mint. I think I have bee balm and peppermint in there. And these are my cabbages. If you can remember last year, I cut the center one off and 4 more showed up. I used one of the 4, and now underneath those 4, more are coming up. So I guess I'll have cabbages for a while. You can feel free to keep doing that. And last but not least, let me go over here. These are my starts that I had to go and buy because they don't like to be here when I start them from seed or even when I buy them. But we shall see how it goes. I just replanted that this morning, dill, and we have here 5 strawberries, 2 of one variety and 3 of another. We have some Thai, what is it? English thyme, Swiss chard, and we got a baby one showing up that wasn't there when I bought it. And this is banana peppers, I think this is cauliflower. Let me see. No, this is broccoli. And there are 2 in there. I had 5 different lettuces, and none of them seem to like it here. So these 2 are trying to bolt on me. And we have some cauliflower and more Brussels sprouts. This is a second dill. It's trying to leave me. I tell you, I don't know what's going on with this Texas thing. But that's it. So, thanks for joining me. I will check in again in a few. Thanks for coming by.